Hello and welcome to SUP, and today we've got a Porsche 987 first generation Boxster S, and I'm going to be showing you a common fault on these cars which can cause your engine management light to come on and also exhaust blow from the back. So these cars have a flange between the catalytic converter and the back box which join them together, and slowly over time the gaskets disintegrate and can start to cause leaks and of course exhaust blow. So we're going to be showing you a quick insight on what goes into changing these gaskets and what we do to do that. To begin with, we start by removing both the rear wheels, but to do so we need to find the locking wheel nut key. This is located under the bonnet. All you do is flip the release switch located on the right hand side near the kick plate. This will allow you to open the bonnet, and just inside you will find a cover with two hand screws. Turn these screws 90 degrees anti-clockwise and it will pop open, and you'll find your locking wheel nut key just inside as seen here. Now we've got the locking wheel nut key, we'll use this to remove the wheels, making sure to be very careful not to damage them when taking off. Once we remove the wheels, we go about taking off this cover here. This will give us access to the exhaust flange and give us much more room to work with. This is held on by two 10mm nuts and a T25mm torque screw. This is where stuff gets interesting, as we now go about removing the old studs of the exhaust. There are 3 located on both sides, meaning 6 in total. To remove them, we go about using a blowtorch to heat these up and expand the metal, making it easier to remove. And to remove them, we use an air hammer with a range of fittings. But first, we need to use a chisel fitting to get rid of the holsters of the studs, and then using a smaller end hammer we can go from the inside and hammer it through till the stud falls out, and we repeat this process till all the studs have been removed and the gaskets can be replaced. One thing to note when doing this job is to make sure you're wearing safety equipment as well. When doing so here, we use safety glasses and ear defenders. This is very important for your health and safety. You can now see the old gaskets that we've removed, and we can compare them with the new ones, which obviously are in a much better condition. What can also be seen are the old studs that were damaged by the heat, and we will be replacing these with brand new M8 bolts using spring washers and flange nuts. We can now go about fitting the new gaskets in the exhaust and also the 3 bolts, remembering that there's 6 in total. We are using M8 bolts, and these nuts are tightened using a 30mm socket and spanner. Make sure to get them as tight as you can to make sure there's absolutely no chances of having an exhaust blow once you finish the job. It's now time to refit the plastic covers back onto the vehicle, same way we took them off, using the two 10mm nuts and T25 torque screw. And after that, we can now refit both the rear wheels, being careful not to damage them, just the same as when we took them off. But this time we need to make sure to torque all 10 wheel nuts, remembering to go opposite, just as seen here. We've just finished replacing the gaskets, as you've seen, and now we're letting the vehicle warm up so we can check for any exhaust blows. Always make sure to do that once the job is done to make sure that it's been 100% complete. All the bolts are tight as well underneath for the flanges, and I'm going to show you here the old gasket. As you can see, this is what can happen over time. There's a little cut out there, and also the gasket begins to expand, and this is how the exhaust blow begins to start. And these are some of the old bolts here, which, as you can see, heat's travelled through them, they've gotten hot, and through expanding, see, they get very old and horrible. But anyway, with that job done, we're going to go ahead and test drive the vehicle, make sure the engine management light doesn't come back on, and yeah, job's a good one. But don't forget to subscribe and hopefully check out some of our other videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one.